Who are you?
Jerry Stark,
How old are you?
60.
What do you do?
I make straight razors.
What different types of products do you have?
I have straight razors, both the hand-forged type and the conventional type. I also make knives. I make kitchen knives. I make shaving soaps. Make a little bit of Damascus jewelry when I have time.
What's your favorite part of the process?
The designing. Designing something unique.
What's one thing people should know about your products?
That I always stand behind them. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't like it, send it back, I'll dye it back.
What's your inspiration for making razors?
I like doing something that I can do something different every day, and it's a never-ending learning process.
What makes your razors unique?
I like to think that it's the variety, the different styles, the different types of work that I do. There's about probably 50 different handle materials that I use. I use 7 different types of steel. So I think it's the variety is what sets it apart.
What's the biggest challenge you found in your business?
There seems to be a lot of ways to make razors, and there's a lot of people that want a specific way, and so trying to match the technique to the customer, and they don't always like it the first time, but I always bring it back and make it until they are satisfied. But everybody has a different opinion on how a razor is to be made.
When someone contacts you, how does it work?
We just decide on the design of the blade that they want, the style, whether it's a conventional razor or a hand forged. Then we look at the sizing, we look at the handle material, and sometimes they give me a starting point and let me design from there. Sometimes they're very specific, but it involves a lot of conversation. And the eventual product, I send them pictures for their approval, and that's how a razor is born.
Where do you see your brand in 5 years?
I hope that it's just has evolved a little bit more with the variety, and then also it's a little more well known around the world.
What's the best way to get a hold of you?
Through my website or just my regular email.